It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that what is cloud computing and how does it work? Basically, cloud computing is like something physical, but you can access online. Technically, cloud computing is a physical server which can be used for networking, for database, for website. So the number one reason you use a cloud computing is for resource pooling. Basically, you can easily pull large, resources like the data, the network, without having a physical hardware. There's nothing in the cloud. There's nothing in the cloud. There's only online. To be online, you need a physical server. So resource pooling is very good. The cloud computing is always in a data center. So, for example, the data center is, in Taiwan, Tokyo. So I'm pulling the resources, maybe United States. I'm pulling the resources from United States, from the Tokyo server. So that's how cloud computing works. Another good thing is that on demand, you don't have to build the entire server. Like for example, like before back in the day, I launched my blog. I literally rent out the entire server rack. You don't have to do. You don't have to do for a website. Of course, you can use a shared server, but you don't have to rent a server for your application, web application. You can just request a part of the server. Once you start growing, you can easily rapidly grow. So this is a huge benefit in cloud computing because cloud computing have a lot of module like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Infrastructure as service, a platform as a service, software as a server. I mean it depends. If you wanna grow rapidly, you easily expand. If your business is not working that much, it's not bringing revenue, you wanna downsize, you can easily downsize. That is a benefit of cloud computing. It save a lot of money, but again, if you, if you want the best service, you have an application that you only want to rent a private server, then go for it. But other than that, for startup, cloud computing is the best because infrastructure as a service, software as a service, network as a service, platform as a service. These are some of the benefits cloud computing offer. I hope this answered the question. So yeah, the huge benefit of cloud computing is that you're basically renting a part of the resources on the server online. You don't have to own a physical server in your backyard, in your office, for your company. You don't have to have a server. A lot of companies have a server rack. Because the last company I worked with is a pharmaceutical. Once they moved to a new location, they have no physical server. It was only cloud computing. Basically, they are renting out from another, data center to do the resource pooling. So that is cloud computing. Don't have to have a physical server. The physical server can be somewhere and you access online, you store the data online. So that is in short cloud computing. I hope this answered the question.